like to freshen things up in the fall. So I came across these Home Ideas bathroom rugs. This is in beige, and it's 3 feet 4 inches by 2 feet. And it's definitely turning out to be one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference. It is so soft and fluffy, and it feels like stepping on a cloud after a shower. Why I picked this brand, Plush Microfiber, soaks up the water without really feeling soggy. This is in the kids' bedroom, so stays put, has the nice non-slip backing, which isn't going to slide around, which I appreciate. And I like that it's fresh and it's cozy, and it instantly warms their space. Once this needs to be laundered, I'm going to just throw it in the wash and on gentle, and I will hang it to dry. And I'm confident that is going to hold up and wash well. Would I rebuy this brand? Absolutely. This rug is definitely stylish and practical, and it does make my kids' bedroom feel more like a spa and just not another room. I do highly recommend.